Okay, this is 74th question of your textbook, and I am going to work out on this question. We see how the question is and how we can do the question. Okay, this is the question. At a certain time of the day, the angle of elevation of the sun is 40 degree to the nearest foot. Find the height of the tree whose shadow is 35 feet long. Okay, what is happening over here? One tree is standing on the ground. Okay, and sometime the sun position is over here. That sun is making angle with the this means touching somewhere, the rays of the sun is passing through somewhere at some height of the tree, and that is touching the ground. Okay, an angle is not giving, the sun is making with the sun is making sun is making with the ground. What is given with this rays? Actually the tree shadow is coming up. Always when you see standing somewhere on the ground and the sun is from the back, shadow will be touching on the ground, parallel, correct, will be flat on the ground. So so this is your this is shadow which is falling on the ground, shadow of the tree which is falling on the ground, and that is touching somewhere at the point B, and this point is making angle with the sun. That angle is given. What is given? That angle, if you see the language, that angle is given. What is given? That angle 40 degree. So this angle of elevation is making clear, means angle is going to be made from bottom to top. So this angle is given 40 degree. Okay, now what is given? The point which is touching the ground, that is shadow, and the shadow is 35 feet tall. Means this shadow, means this is going to be 35 feet. This is the base of the tree. This is your tree. From the base of the tree, this shadow is 35 feet long. And what I need to calculate? At a certain time, angle of elevation and to the nearest foot, find the height of the tree. This height I need to calculate. So height I am going to represent with A, and this is right angle triangle. I have given the name. This is okay. Now here again the same. See, angle is given, height we need to calculate, because this is the angle we are going to take. So this side is going to be what? This side is going to be adjacent side, and this is going to be your opposite side, and this is hypotenuse, correct. Now I need to calculate opposite, and the adjacent is given, angle is given. So which trigonometric function we can apply over here which relate opposite and adjacent? Again tan. So I am going to apply tan. This is the angle theta I have taken. Tan theta equals to opposite upon adjacent. Okay, now I am going to plug in the value. Theta is 40 degree. Opposite is given. We need to calculate h, that I have represented by the height h, upon adjacent, that is 35 feet. Okay, 1040 value. Now first I need to remove this 35. So I am going to multiply both side by 35. As you multiply this, 35 and 35 cancel out. So 1040 value I am going to calculate again. So what I need to do? I need to open calculator on your computer. First you need to press 40 and then you hit 10. So that value is going to become 0.8390 multiplied by 35 equals to h. Correct. Now that value I need to multiply by 35. So this value is going to become 29.36 equals to height. So height of the tree is 29.36. You can see in this question, with the help of word problem, I have draw the figure. So the same way you also can draw. It's very easy. Once you do the practice, you will be habitual of doing. And what you need to calculate? First is figure should be correct, and the second is trigonometric relation, and that which trigonometric function you need to apply. So that's a little practice required. You do 4-5 question, you will be getting the idea. Opposite and adjacent, I told you 10 is maximum used in the height and distance question. Sometimes if it is hypotenuse is being used or asked to calculate, we use sine and cos. So there are three relations, sine, cos and tan. Out of these three, any one relation will be used in trigonometric functions. So just practice out, and it's not a very tough task that we can't do. Okay, thank you.